Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy 4-ingredient chocolate chip cookie dough dip. It's a mouthful, but it's a really quick, easy, almost instant dessert. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So the 4 ingredients you'll need, we've got cream cheese and butter over here. Just keep the butter out the fridge for a few hours to soften. And we've got cream cheese, so it's going to be lovely and creamy. And now for the sweetness, it's up to you what sugar you want to use. Regular sugar, stevia. I've used powdered sugar or icing sugar here just because then it'll blend really quickly and be lovely and creamy. And I've got chocolate chips as well for the lovely chocolate chip cookie dough. There's loads of adaptations, loads that you can add into it depending on your own taste, dietary requirements, and yeah, it'll all be listed in the blog post down below. There's a whole list of other inclusions, but these core 4 ingredients make a lovely cookie dough dip, which I will show you how to make next. So grab out a bowl and into that pop the butter. There's 50 grams or about 1.7 ounces of butter, and cream cheese. There's 100 grams or about 3.5 ounces of cream cheese there. And we'll just blend that until it's nice and creamy. And now for the sweetness, add in 2 to 4 tablespoons, just depends how sweet you want your cookie dough dip to be, and blend it till it's creamy. That is perfect. And now we'll just mix through the chocolate chips. So add in about half the chocolate chips now, and save the rest for the topping. So we're just going to mix those through. Just fold the chocolate chips through. And now I'm just going to move it into a bowl. So just move the dip into a bowl for serving. So you see the chocolate chips are the folded through chocolate chips, so then you get kind of a chocolate chip in every mouthful, and I'm just going to top it with the rest of the chocolate chips. The topping is just packed full of chocolate chips, and now you can enjoy this just by the spoonful. You can enjoy it with crackers. You can be a bit healthier and have it with some fruit if you want to, but it just makes such a lovely, pretty much instant dessert. You can enjoy this straight away, or you can pop it into the fridge for a couple of hours, let all those flavors develop together, and then enjoy it just within a few days if it lasts as long. So yeah, that is the video for today for how to make this lovely chocolate chip cookie dough dip. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give it a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.